I'm here today at the Chatham historic dockyard at this property on Church Lane to give you a unique insight to this once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to purchase a piece of history. This 4-bedroom end-of-terraced house has a versatile layout split over 3 levels, giving the opportunity to have a ground floor bedroom with a bathroom servicing it. There's also an integral garage that could be extended into, subjects to further planning permission. Let's go and take a look around this stunning property. Up on the first floor we have the majority of the living accommodation and socialising space. We're here in the kitchen, which is separate to the lounge at the front, giving that separate space. It's been updated and modernised by the current owners and includes all the integrated appliances that you could need, including a fridge freezer, an integrated microwave, a double oven, hob and extractor, and also your integrated dishwasher. You've also got direct access out to the garden from here, which gives you lovely views and lots of natural light coming in. One of the added benefits to this property, as well as the garden to the rear, is this balcony which faces towards the front of the property. Just behind me you can see you have unobstructed views across the historic dockyard in Chatham, and it also boasts stunning sunsets in the summer, ideal for relaxing with a gin and tonic or a glass of wine. So as you can see, this property has so much to offer, and unique to this particular plot is an extended garden to the side, and the property boasts a driveway to the front and allocated parking to the rear. We're standing on what used to be one of the old tennis courts, which is now used for space for local residents and visitors to the site. As a resident in this area, you also get access to the site free of charge, ideal if you have children, grandchildren, nieces or nephews to come and spend time and enjoy this historical place. If you're interested in knowing any more about this property or would like to learn about the history of this area, including why so many TV programmes and films have been shot here, then please contact me on the details that follow.